north central Buffalo County and west central Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Modena, or 7 miles west of Mondovi, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mondovi around 7:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the Big Swamp area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Buffalo, Wisconsin,